Before you check your phone, before you look at the news, before the world gets its hands on your mind, watch this. Because what you feed your brain in the first 60 minutes of your morning determines everything that happens for the rest of your day. And most people are starting their mornings wrong. They wake up in reaction mode. Alarm goes off. Phone goes on. Scrolling, consuming, comparing. And before they've even gotten out of bed, they've already handed their mind to someone else. That ends today. Here is the truth about manifestation that nobody talks about. It is not about thinking positive thoughts and waiting for things to appear. It is about aligning your mind, your body, and your actions so completely with what you want that the universe has no choice but to deliver it. Manifestation is not passive. Manifestation is a discipline. And it starts the moment you open your eyes. Step 1. Before you touch your phone, speak your intention out loud. Not in your head, out loud. With your chest, with conviction. Say it like you mean it. I am wealthy. I am building something that matters. I am disciplined, focused, and unstoppable. Today I move closer to the life I am creating. Say it every single morning, even when you don't believe it yet. Especially when you don't believe it yet. Because repetition builds belief. And belief drives behavior. And behavior builds wealth. Step 2. Visualize the life in detail. Close your eyes for 2 minutes. Not a vague feeling of success. Specific details. What does your bank account say? What does your morning look like when you've made it? Who are you with? What are you wearing? What does your body feel like when you are free? Feel it. Don't just see it. Feel it. The brain processes a vividly imagined experience, the same way it processes a real one. You are literally programming your nervous system for success every time you do this. Step 3. Write down your one non-negotiable for the day. Not a to-do list. One thing. The one action that if you do nothing else today, still moves your wealth forward. Write it. Circle it. Do it before lunch. Because successful people are not people who do more things. They are people who do the right things. Consistently. Without excuse. Step 4. Move your body for 10 minutes. Not an hour. Not a full workout. 10 minutes. Walk outside. Do push-ups. Stretch. Whatever gets blood moving to your brain. Here is why this matters financially. Exercise releases dopamine. Dopamine drives motivation. Motivation drives execution. Execution builds wealth. Your body and your bank account are connected. You cannot build a wealthy life in a neglected body. Step 5. Protect the first hour from everyone. No calls, no texts, no email, no social media, no news. The first hour belongs to you and your vision only. This is the most valuable hour of your day. The hour where the version of you that you are becoming is built. One morning at a time. Most people give this hour away for free. Wealthy people protect it like a vault. Here is what I want you to understand. The gap between where you are now and the life you are trying to build is not as wide as you think. It is not separated by talent. It is not separated by connections. It is not separated by luck. It is separated by mornings. The way you start your morning is the way you live your life. Start it with intention. Start it with clarity. Start it with the unshakable belief that everything you want is already on its way to you. Because it is. Subscribe to Peace World Media. New videos every single week, designed to keep you sharp, intentional, and building. The world is yours.